Okay, cousin, here we are once again. We're going to crochet. So what I'm going to teach you today is how to do a single crochet and also a double crochet. And then after I teach you these two steps, I will teach you how to do a granny square. And these two crochet steps are your two basic steps, and these are pretty much used in almost any pattern that I've ever used. So these are your basic steps, so hopefully you will catch on quickly. Okay, so what I've already done is I've already done a small chain. I just did 20 chains right there. They're pretty even. So what we're going to do is you're going to go ahead and put your hook into your yarn. And then it's pretty much like when you're doing your chain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first teach you the double crochet because that's what I was taught first. So you're going to bring your hook towards you, go underneath the, okay, there we go, underneath the yarn just like I taught you. Wait, I'm sorry, no, yes, okay, and then instead of pulling it through this little hole, if you look in your chains, you should have little bitty holes. See them? These little bitty holes if you pick it up. Okay, so you're going to wrap your yarn, and then in the first little hole that you see, you're going to take your hook and you're going to push it through. So now if you look, you have 3 separate pieces of yarn, see that, wrapped around your hook. So then you're going to bring the yarn, wrap it like you do with your chain, turn your hook, and you're going to pull it through the first 2 pieces of yarn. Now this can be tricky, especially if you're doing it slow like I'm trying to do. Okay. So now you have 2 pieces of yarn left. So you're going to do that one more time. You're going to wrap it and pull it through both pieces like that. And so it's kind of hard to see, but you have a little double crochet. So now we're going to do it again. So you're going to wrap it, you're going to put it in the next hole in your chain, you're going to pull it through that hole, then you're going to wrap it, pull it through the first 2, bring it back up, wrap it, and pull it through the first 2. Okay, I'm gonna do it one more time. I'm gonna go slow. So you're going to wrap your yarn. You're going to push it through the next hole. You're going to grab the yarn, pull it through that hole. See? Then you're going to wrap your yarn, pull it through the first 2, bring it back, wrap your yarn, pull it through the first 2. So as you can see, it starts building. It's kind of hard to see in the camera, but it starts getting bigger. So I'm going to do a few more of those. And it's kind of hard at first when you're first starting it because it's so little and you're trying to hold on to it. But the thicker it gets, the easier it becomes because it's easier to hold on to. Pull some more yarn out. And as you can see right there, see that? And there's little holes all throughout if you pull it. Okay, so next I'm going to teach you how to do a single crochet. Now a single crochet is just like the double crochet, but instead of wrapping your yarn first, you just put it through the hole. So you're holding it like this, and instead of wrapping it like that, because that's for the double, you're just going to simply push it through that hole. Then you're going to pull your yarn through. So now you only have 2 little pieces instead of 3. Then you're going to just wrap your yarn and pull it through both of them. You're going to do it again. So you're just going to push it through, grab the yarn, pull it back through, wrap, and pull. Just like that.